Here we are.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
We're both starving.
Yeah, so we're gonna do, oh, that's new to me. But it's okay. I'm going to make pumpkin pie.
Yes.
So it's very simple.
From scratch. Don't do
Oh,
that
you said
noise.
scratch. Okay, first, let's take this thing off. Then we cut the pie. the
Pumpkin. Voila.
Okay, now we're going to scoop it out. If you want, you can save the seeds.
Yeah, and you can roast pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin, remember we say pumpkin.
Yes.
What you want to do is make sure you get all the stringies, this gross stuff, out.
That's not gross.
No, it's not gross, Voila.
Oh, my.
Yours.
Here, you go.
Hers is better.
Scrape yours out a bit. Then we want to just put some little holes in the pumpkin shell just so it can breathe a bit and not get too soggy. But we still like that moisture in there when you're cooking. Place it face down. She hasn't eaten. On a baking sheet, 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. We'll see you in a bit.
In a freezing cold arena with only a t-shirt.
Pumpkins came out of the oven and they are cooled and soft.
And perfect.
Perfect.
See?
And we're also going to do a special shout out to Mr. Mendy because he was telling me how he went through like a year-long craving of pumpkin. Now, we're going to teach him the most simple pumpkin pie recipe.
Pumpkin pie, a year-long craving.
Crazy, right?
We're scooping out, putting in, mashing, measuring. And while Elisa's doing that, I am going to grease and flour the pie plate. I got in trouble in the last video for not showing how to grease and flour the pie plate. I don't know.
It should just scoop easily.
I think she likes just to get mad at me.
I do like to get mad at you. I mean,
I knew it. So we put butter on the pie plate. We're sprinkling a little flour.
Take a musher.
And how many directions at once? And then look, you just go like this and shake it off. And the flour that comes off, we use to roll our pastry. The problem is wearing black when we're rolling out a pastry.
It is. Well, not period. It's mashed pumpkin. We're going to scoop.
Just for clarification, she does know how to spell pumpkin.
I hope people would know that.
You never know.
Okay, well, thank you for having no faith in our viewers.
Meantime, how do you spell pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
Yay.
400 milliliters of pumpkin. Did you explain that?
Oh, I didn't explain again. You see, you have no faith in the viewers. You fold the pastry dough in half and place it in the pie plate. Then we pinch around the edges and then we trim to make it look pretty. I'm just going to do simple.
Cut.
Yes, just cutting off simply because our little niece, Mele, who has a great Instagram, a pretty pie design, she takes a lot of time.
Which we don't do.
Our objective is
To make it taste good.
right.
To make the pie filling, you scoop out your 400 milliliters, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs. Look at this teamwork. Thank you.
Oh, our oven is preheating.
Yes, always preheat your oven.
In this case, to 425. Different recipes tell you different things about spices. So what I've done, I like it not too spicy. So a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is actually a lot for moi. A little bit of ginger.
A quarter of a teaspoon.
Of ginger, right? Just this much cloves, like just...
Not even an eighth
Right.
of a teaspoon.
And then about a quarter teaspoon of salt.
Yes.
Put it in. 3/4 of a cup. Now some recipes say evaporated milk, some recipes say sweetened condensed, but I like to use whipping cream. Oh, not mixed extra bit.
Stir it up.
Stir it up.
And like that, you have your pumpkin pie filling. Pour it in.
Some fun, that's why you film.
Pop her into the preheated oven at 425, and then in 15 minutes, we'll be back to turn the heat down. See how it goes. We're just going to turn down the oven to 350.
4:30 to
30 to 35 minutes.
Okay, so yummers.
Ooh, yummy pumpkin pie.
Now Cynthia said we have to sample it, but
Yeah.
it's too hot.
Maybe we'll wait for it to cool off and then we'll have a bite after.
Okay,
Mm.
yum, with whipped cream. Only real whipped cream though.